Are you looking for the best smart doorbell? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best smart doorbells on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. SimpliSafe Pro Video Doorbell. If you take your privacy seriously, you'll be glad to know that as the best smart doorbell for privacy, the SimpliSafe Video Doorbell Pro isn't compatible with Alexa or Echo, so you don't have to worry about these devices spying on you. The doorbell connects to your existing doorbell wiring. It provides sharp, 1080p images even at night and has a generous 162-degree horizontal field of view, which allows you to get a comprehensive view of what's happening outside your door. The smart video doorbell can distinguish between people, vehicles, and pets, and you can set it so you only receive text alerts on your phone for people, since you don't really care when a squirrel runs across your porch. The ability to pan and zoom also helps you focus on what's important, and the two-way audio lets you converse with whoever is at your front door. Some smart doorbells are available in different colors. However, the SimpliSafe Pro Video Doorbell includes 3 faceplate covers in the package: Cloud, Jade, and Obsidian, so you can change the look of the webcam easily and at no extra cost. Accessing footage requires subscribing to the company's $4.99 a month plan. Video resolution, 1080p. Wired/battery powered, wired. Field of view, 162 degrees. Integration, SimpliSafe only. Storage type, cloud. Number 2. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 provides a higher resolution, 1536p, than most smart video doorbells with 1080p even at night. The 3D motion detection feature on the Ring Video Doorbell employs radar to analyze how far away a person or object is, so it can only start recording when the subject is within the appropriate range. This results in more accurate motion alerts and reduces false notifications. Another feature, the bird's eye view, provides an aerial map view which shows you not only what's on your front porch, but the path the person took to get there. This helps you see packages wherever they are and also lets you know if anyone took a detour while on your property. In addition to changing the settings for your detection range, you can also change the motion settings so you can. The video doorbell also has two-way talk, which you can access through Alexa. Video resolution, 1536p. Wired/battery powered, wired. Field of view, 150 degrees. Integration, Amazon Alexa, eufy. Storage type, cloud. Number 3. Ring Video Doorbell, wired. This is the least expensive of the Ring Video doorbells, and also the smallest, but it doesn't skimp on features or build quality. This model still provides 1080p resolution and even clear night vision. It's wired and works with your existing doorbell hookup, but doesn't offer a battery option. In addition, the 155-degree field of view provides an extensive viewing area. Two-way talk lets you converse with visitors, and even includes noise cancellation to minimize background sounds. Despite its hardwired configuration, it can activate your home's existing chime. For that, you'll need to purchase a Ring chime, $20 or less. Motion detection zones and notification settings can all be customized to avoid false alarms. In addition to your smartphone, you can use Alexa and eufy to view footage, and also to speak to and hear visitors. You'll need to purchase a plan at $3 a month to review 60 days of saved footage. Video resolution, 1080p. Wired/battery powered, wired. Field of view, 155 degrees. Integration, Amazon Alexa, eufy. Storage type, cloud. Number 4. eufy Security Video Doorbell. Dual cam technology. The view offered by ordinary cameras is just too limited to provide complete protection. With a low-angle camera, blind spots are eliminated and your doorstep is in full view. Dual motion detection. That advanced PR and radar motion sensors are able to distinguish both near and far subjects and reduce 95% of false alarms. Get instantly notified when your package arrives with Delivery Guard. Plus, you'll receive pickup reminders and alerts if someone approaches your package. 2K with HDR 2K HD surveillance ensures visitors can be identified from the details. And thanks to high dynamic range, visitors who are backlit by the sun can be seen in perfect color and clarity. Note, add-on unit requires Homebase 2/Homebase 3 to operate. Wi-Fi only connects to 2.4 GHz networks. Number 5. AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless. See the whole picture in 2K resolution, with 166 degrees wide viewing angle, 4:3 aspect ratio. You could see a person from head to toe or the package on the ground. See the whole picture in 2K resolution. No subscription required. AOSU Video Doorbell includes 8GB micro SD card, supports 2 months secure local storage, no monthly fee. Get accurate alerts with smart human detection, adopted latest AI algorithms to identify humans in the video, reducing false alarms caused by moving objects like animals. More stable signal. AOSU Video Doorbell is equipped with a signal-enhanced base station repeater to maintain a more stable 2.4G Wi-Fi signal connection. Quick reply and voice changer. When a visitor rings the bell, you can answer/hang up the video call directly or select a preset quick voice reply. Also can use voice changer to protect your privacy.